Okay, here we are in our apartment where Cupcake lives. There's Cupcake lying on the floor. You enter through the front door here, the living room, the kitchen. Cupcake's fed here in the kitchen. There in the corner is her water bowl, and her food gets put down twice a day. Over here is the living room. Cupcake spends a large part of the day sleeping on the couch there. That's usually where she is when I come home from work. She also has a bed here. She'll go to the bed and sleep a lot of times when we're home. And her toys are back behind there. She likes to dig through and find the toys that she likes. Come around. Over here is the bathroom. Cupcake also sleeps in the bathroom a lot of times during the day. She has her little bed on the ground there, and she also sleeps on the floor. It's a lot cooler. And then finally the bedroom. Cupcake sleeps in the bed at night here. She sleeps over here on my side, and she has another little bed beside her. She likes to hide in there, and she has the steps that go up onto the bed. But we keep the bedroom door closed during the day so she can't come in. This is the only room she doesn't come into during the day. So that's about all for the house, and we'll show some clips of Cupcake next.